Welcome to Algebra 1 release question number 36 for the CST release questions. It says some ordered pairs for a linear function of x are given in the table below. So we've got this xy table down here. 1 goes with 1, 3 with 7, 5 with 13, 7 with 19. Which of the following equations was used to generate the table above? You could plot these points and you could use slope-intercept form. You could see where the y-intercept is. You could find the slope of that. That's a valid way to do this question. I'm going to try to do that though without drawing a graph, or find the answer without drawing a graph. I notice every time here I go from 1 to the next value, I'm adding 6 to the y values for every time I add 2 to the x values. And so that's, if I think of slope, my slope is a change in y. This is another way to think of it. A little triangle symbol just means change in y over change in x. I'm changing positive 6 every time I change positive 2 from y to x, and that would be a slope of 3. So my slope should be 3, and to me that eliminates choices A, B, and D, because I have a slope of 3 right here, but these ones have a slope of 2, these ones have a slope of 4. So let's just see if this works for each row here. So if we plugged in 1 into this equation, it should work. We have 3 times 1 minus 2. What do you get? You have 3 times 1, which is 3, and 3 minus 2, which equals 1. So if you plug in 1, you get 1. This is your x value. This is your y value. Does that match up? Sure does. You have 1 and 1. If you plug in 3, still my x value here, if I plug in 3 into this equation, if this is a true equation, for this is the equation that generated the table, if it is, then I should get 7. That should pop out 7 out of the equation. So let's see what we got here. We've got 9 minus 2. Does that equal 7? Sure does. So that one checked. That one checked out. Let's check the other two just really quickly. So this would be 15 minus 2, does that equal 13 like it should? You bet it does. And this one, if I plugged in 7, I would have 21. 21 minus 2 would equal 19 like I expected. So these x values give the respective y values that I thought I should get if it was the right answer. Choice C then, or number 36, clearly the right answer.